Hello dear students. Yesterday I explained you about the omission of articles where we should not use any of the article. The conditions, there are certain terms जिन conditions में हम article को use नहीं करते हैं. So I explained you. I hope you understood it. Now today we will move further with the use of a and an. A और an का use, right? N is used instead of a. N को हम use करते हैं a के place पर. But when we are using n instead of a before a word beginning with a vowel sound. एक ऐसे word से पहले जो एक vowel sound के through begin होता है, vowel sound से begin होता है. Like for example x, a x e x. Before that, you need to revise. There are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. You are much familiar with the vowels and consonants. In alphabets, in 26 alphabets, there are 5 vowels and rest all are known as consonant. So A, E, I, O, U. Whenever any of the word starts with vowel sound, remember it starts with vowel sound, not the vowel only. देयर इज़ अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन साउंड एंड वॉवल. मीन्स अगर कोई वर्ड स्टार्ट हो रहा है वॉवल से बट उसका साउंड वॉवल नहीं है, ओके, दैट मीन्स वी कैन टेक एन एग्जाम्पल यूरोपियन. सो इट स्टार्ट्स विद ई, ओके, ई यू, यूरोपियन, ई यू आर ओ पी ई ए एन. It starts with E, so you can say that it starts with the vowel, so we will use an European. But here the condition applies that the word should start with vowel sound, not with vowel only, right? So it starts with U, okay, that is why ये U से start रहा है, U. That means it is considered as consonant, right? So there are some certain examples given over there which starts or begins with vowel sound like nx, an office, OFFICE, an enemy, an orange, an honest man. Now see, here is written honest. The spelling is HONEST. You can consider that ma'am it starts with H and H is not vowel. But the pronunciation is honest. We are not saying or we are not pronunciating it as honest. Okay, it starts with O, honest. That is why it starts with vowel sound. So we use before honest N, right? Next is an ink pad and the last one is an R. Now see, the spelling of R is HOUR. Okay, but it starts with the vowel sound R. We are not saying har, right? So it starts with vowel sound. That is why we put N before R, right? Now, but we say a European, a university. Now see, there are certain words which starts with vowel but the sound is not vowel. Okay, like European, a university, a union, बिकॉज दीज वर्ड्स बिगिन विद अ कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. क्योंकि ये सारे वर्ड्स एक कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. दैट इज़ वाई वी विल नॉट यूज़ हेयर एन, वी विल यूज़ हेयर ए ओनली, राइट? नाउ वी यूज़ ए एंड एन, वी यूज़ ए और एन अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट्स यूज़ रेफर टू बिफोर. लाइक और कहाँ कहाँ हम ए यूज़ कर लेते हैं और एन यूज़ करते हैं? इन अ सेंस ऑफ वन. wherever we should take the sense of one, जहाँ हमें one लिखना होता है, generally we will use a, like please wait a minute, right? In second one, to say what kind of thing or person, अगर हमें बताना है what kind of thing or person, there we can use a. Something or somebody is, or somebody's job, if we want to say somebody's job is, as in for example this is a useful book. What kind of book? A useful book. My aunt is a doctor. Okay, so what kind of a person? A doctor. So here we will use a. Understood? Now use of the, where we will use the. Listen very carefully and you can open page number 24 also from your book. The is used before common nouns. Number 1, the हम कहाँ use करते हैं? Before common nouns which are names of things unique of their kind. कॉमन नाउन से पहले तो करते ही हैं, बट द कंडीशन इज विच आर द नेम्स ऑफ थिंग्स यूनिक ऑफ देयर काइंड, दैट इज ऑफ विच देयर इज ओनली वन थिंग, मीन्स यूनिक ऑफ देयर काइंड. Understood? Like the sun, there is only one sun. Okay, so that is why before sun we will use the sun. Unique है, एक है, that is of which there is one thing. Like sun, there is not any other thing, so for that we use the moon, the sky, the earth. Okay, these all are the unique. Next, the is used before common nouns when the name of an animal, plant or other thing is taken as a type of its class. मीन्स हम द यूज़ करते हैं उन कॉमन नाउन से पहले, नेम ऑफ एन एनिमल, एनिमल की नेम से पहले, प्लांट और अदर थिंग, इट शुड बी टेकन एज अ टाइप ऑफ इट्स क्लास, जो कि अपने पूरे क्लास को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. जैसे द काउ इज़ अ यूजफुल एनिमल. So the cow means we are talking about the class. Means cow is a useful animal. We are not talking about only one cow. We are talking about a class of cow. The cow is a useful animal. Okay. The ostrich is a huge bird. The banyan is a kind of fig tree. Generally we say a kind of a fig tree. It is a common error. So we should not say like that, a kind of a fig tree. It should be the banyan is a kind of fig tree, right? Next, the is used with adjectives which do the work of nouns. ऐसे एडजेक्टिव से पहले जो एक नाउन का प्लेस और नाउन की तरह रिप्रेजेंट हो रहे हैं, लाइक द पुअर. ए वील से शी इज़ अ पुअर गर्ल. A poor girl, I saw a poor girl. So here it is known as adjective. But if I am saying the poor are often happier than the rich, तो here poor and rich are used as nouns. यहाँ पे poor और rich एक noun की तरह use हो रहा है. So before these words we will use the poor. और we can say हम एक class को भी represent कर रहे हैं. The poor are often happier than the rich. Honor the brave means a class, we can say. Or here brave is a noun. Honor the brave means जो साहसी लोग हैं उनको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है ये वर्ड. तो द ब्रेव. फीड द हंग्री. क्लोथ द नेकेड. ओके. केयर फॉर द फादरलेस. ओके, means as a noun we are using here the word fatherless. Next, the is used before superlative adjectives, means superlative degrees. I told you ना, comparative, positive, superlative. So हम superlative degree से पहले भी हमेशा the use करते हैं. Okay, the best, like best, the tallest. Okay, the most beautiful. So these all are the superlatives. इनके पहले always we will use the before superlative. And adjectives like first, second, third, etc. इन वर्ड से पहले भी हम the यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, द फर्स्ट, द सेकेंड, द थर्ड. राधा इज द क्लेवरेस्ट गर्ल इन द क्लास. सो द क्लेवरेस्ट, सुपरलेटिव डिग्री क्लेवरेस्ट. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. So before first we used the. Okay, understood? Read it once again. Okay. And in our next video we will do exercises. There are 2 exercises. We'll cover up both the exercises in our next video. Before that, have a look, revise this full chapter, and I may take your test anytime. Okay, so keep on revising all the chapters of essay 1. Okay, thank you.